Well, a very good morning from Phuket, and today I've come down to Yanui Beach, which is a small but very pretty and popular beach here on the island of Phuket. Now, Yanui is sandwiched between Nai Harn Beach, which we've covered a few videos back, and also the Cape of Promthep, which I'm going to do a short video on as well, because the Cape of Promthep is a place that really you should go and visit sort of mid to late afternoon to watch the sunset. There's some lovely restaurants around that area where you can sit and enjoy a meal, as I say, watching that sunset. But today we're going to explore Yanui Beach. I'm just literally at the bottom of the hill leading down from the Cape of Promthep, and at the bottom you're going to find a nice large car park for both cars and motorbikes, so no problem parking. However, just bear in mind, I have said this is a very popular beach, so it does get busy. It's the 17th of March and it's just after 10 o'clock in the morning. Now I've come early because, as I've mentioned, it's a busy beach, and if you come around lunchtime there's a lot of people here. Now behind me there's some restaurants, so we're going to take a look at that, because this is a great place. You can come in the morning, have a spot of breakfast, and then just literally walk across the road and chill out on the beach. So let's have a quick look at the restaurant. Now I'm not sure whether that's all one restaurant or a few separate restaurants. I think they're actually separate restaurants. There's a place just across the road there. I'm going to nip across in a minute so you can have a closer look. I just want to show you the setting. I don't know whether you can hear all the crickets in the background. I mean, it's absolutely alive with the wildlife at the moment. The beach, lots and lots of background noise. There's the car park, as you can see. Reasonable size, plenty of parking for motorbikes and cars. Literally the beach is just here. But I want to show you the restaurants first, because if you're on the beach, it's literally 2 minutes from the beach. So you're going to be able to come, grab yourself some lunch, late afternoon, something to eat, drink, whatever it may be. I can see there's some paddle boards. I'm not quite sure what they're called here. I don't know whether they're for hire, I presume so. Some accommodation by the looks of it as well. Again, I'm not 100% sure, but it does look like there's some rooms available. I know there is some accommodation in this area just a bit further down here, that's for sure. Lovely area to stay. No prices on the board, so I can't give you an indication of what the prices are like. Actually, there might be a menu there. Okay, there is a menu there. I don't know if you can make that out. Fried chicken with fries, 200 baht. I don't want to spend too much time looking through the menu, but not extortionate. Maybe you want to come and... Sorry, car? You want to come and check it out? Spot of breakfast, spot of lunch, another one here. I'm guessing this is a separate one. This one's quite nice looking. Nice place to come and chill for a few hours, or an hour or so. Got fresh coffee, coconut, 50 baht. Okay, and then I believe there's some accommodation around just down this road here as well if you want to stay in the area. Well, there used to be. It's been a while since I've been to Yanui Beach. Picked up an ant there, biting into me. I don't know where I picked him up from. You do have to watch the ants out here. They can be a bit aggressive. They don't really hurt, but they can swell up. You get a little bit of a lump. So let's make our way across onto the beach. Now, Yanui Beach is a great beach if you want to do a bit of snorkeling, because there's quite a few rocks around the coastline here, which makes it ideal really for that type of activity. You're going to be able to see some of the marine life that we've got here on the island, and it's in an abundance as well. Just check out those views. Really beautiful. As I say, it's just a little after 10 o'clock in the morning and you can see the beach has got plenty of people on it already. A lovely, lovely beach here. Right, let's make our way onto the actual beach. As you can see, blue sky again. Very, very warm. I think it's going to be a stonker of a day again. The water looks very inviting this morning. Lovely clear blue colour on the water. Again, only Nai Harn Beach just literally round the corner here. There is a viewing point at the top of this hill as well called the Windmill viewpoint. You might want to go and check it out and take some pictures because it offers some really nice views of both Yanui Beach and Nai Harn Beach. But I wanted to get down here fairly early this morning because of the weather being so hot at the minute. Coming out sort of 12 o'clock onwards, it's a little bit brutal in the sun, if I'm honest with you. It can get a little bit too hot. A few people down here taking some pictures. Nice place to take some pictures. Well, I'm just making my way to the edge of the beach here so you can get an idea of just how big it is. As you can see, not massive. It does go around the corner a little way. Plenty of rocks here if you want to do a bit of snorkeling. And also there's, I'm not quite sure of the name of that island out there. It's not too far away, so you can hire a board and paddle out there again, maybe do some snorkeling there. Well, people are often asking me which beaches I recommend. Well, honestly, if you're coming to Phuket, then Yanui Beach should definitely be on your list of beaches to check out. It is a really, really pretty beach. Come and spend a few hours down here. As I said, there are good facilities nearby to the beach as well, with restaurants. Actually forgot my sunglasses today. I remembered the suntan cream, but forgot my sunglasses. Always forget something when I'm out and about. Just check out the colour of the sky. It's absolutely beautiful. Really is. So we'll make our way just over here so you can see just round the corner here. Again, there's a second area here that you can go in, swim. going to be ideal for children as well because it's not too deep. When you enter the water, it doesn't suddenly drop away like some of the beaches. Surin Beach in the northern part of Phuket can get a little bit deep quickly, so it's not ideal for younger children, that's for sure. That's the only thing I don't like about Surin Beach, it drops away very, very quickly. But I'm sure you're going to agree this is a beautiful little beach. Not big by any means, but definitely up there with some of the best beaches here in Phuket. I really do like Yanui Beach. Honestly, I don't know why I don't come here more often. I tend to forget. Because we're spoilt for beaches here on the island, I tend to forget ones to go to, but this is an absolute cracker. So do drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think to Yanui Beach. I'm sure you're gonna love it as much as I do, and it's definitely a beach that you need to put on your list if you're visiting Phuket for the first time, or even if you've been to Phuket a few times before and you haven't checked out Yanui Beach, then this is one to check out. Now don't confuse Yanui Beach with Nui Beach, because Nui Beach is actually a beach where you have to pay for to go on. Well, you pay to go across somebody's land actually, and I don't really agree with these beaches that they're charging to go on to, because all the beaches here in Thailand are public beaches, so you shouldn't have to pay to go on them. But I realise that you're going across somebody's land, so there are some that you have to pay for, but I tend to stay away from them because there's so many good beaches here. I don't see the point in having to pay, but I'm going to start and cover these beaches just so that you can see them for yourselves and see whether it's worth you paying to go onto that beach. But for today, I hope you've enjoyed Yanui Beach. Beautiful little spot. As I've mentioned, a few restaurants. Come down, check it out, chill out for a few hours, have something to eat across the road and just enjoy the day. Well, don't forget to check out the description. All the relevant links will be down there, including, of course, my Facebook and my social media. I've mentioned it before on videos. I'm asking people not to keep requesting Facebook friends because I've stopped adding people, just because people tend to send me messages at all times of day and night, and it's not really convenient, and I get so many that it's starting to cause problems with my messenger when I want to speak to Nat, my wife, and a few of my close friends. It makes it difficult to use because I've got so many messages. If you want to ask me a question, then join my Facebook group. That is the best way, not only to get answers from me, but from knowledgeable people within the group. We've now passed 5,500 members and still growing very, very quick. So it's a great place and a great source of information. And I guess that just leaves me to say, as always, thanks for watching, and until next time, you take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.